Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study more than 12 hours. First, clearly define your strong motivation for such an intensive study period. This will be your driving force. Next, identify your most challenging subjects and schedule them for your peak mental energy, typically in the morning. Finally, create a detailed hour-by-hour study schedule, allocating specific tasks to each block of time. This structured approach is crucial for maximizing your productivity and ensuring you cover all necessary material effectively. To sustain long study hours, your environment is key. Designate a quiet, distraction-free study area where you can fully concentrate. Incorporate strategic breaks. For example, take a 5 to 10 minute active break every 90 minutes to refresh your mind and body. During these breaks, move around or stretch. Also, remember to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water and fuel your brain with nutritious snacks like fruits or nuts throughout your extended study session. Maintaining deep focus for over 12 hours requires specific techniques. Actively recall information by quizzing yourself or explaining concepts aloud, which significantly boosts memory retention. Vary your study methods. Switch between reading, writing, and problem-solving to keep your brain engaged and prevent boredom. Consider practicing short mindfulness or meditation exercises for 5 to 10 minutes to sharpen your concentration and reduce mental clutter, helping you stay present with your material. Finally, sustaining long-term intensive study hinges on your well-being. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. This is non-negotiable for cognitive function and memory consolidation. At the end of each day, take 10 to 15 minutes to review your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your study plan for the following day. Remember to acknowledge your hard work and celebrate small achievements to maintain motivation and a positive mindset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.